Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about a little tool which is known as clip drop. It is used to remove the background of an image with one click. You can find the link in the description. Just simply click here to upload your image, and I will upload this one for now. It will take some time and your background has been removed. You can see the before and after just by dragging it like this, and you can simply download it from here. It will not destroy the resolution of the image. You can see the resolution of image has not been destroyed, and you can see it's a very fine the cutout of the image. Let's try another one. See, the background has been removed. Click download, open it, and you can see the background has been removed. It's a very fine quality, very fine background removal process. Yes, so that's all for today. Head over to this link and try it, and also try to sell these services on Fiverr and Upwork. You can see that on Fiverr these services are selling on high price. Like, I will remove this background product in pictures, Amazon, eBay, and this man has completed its 178 orders. So you can sell these services easily. You can use clip drop to remove the backgrounds in just seconds without any professional background or without any background with the designing. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.